Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic performance sedans on the market. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S marks a major milestone in the evolution of the 911 series, debuting as the most powerful and technologically advanced Turbo S ever produced. For the first time, the model integrates a hybrid-assisted powertrain, combining the legendary performance of a flat-six engine with modern electrification. At the heart of the new Turbo S is a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, now paired with a hybrid system designed to enhance both power delivery and efficiency. This setup delivers an impressive 701 horsepower and 590 pounds-to-feet of torque, significantly increasing output over the previous generation. Acceleration is nothing short of brutal. 0 to 60 miles per hour is achieved in just 2.4 seconds. 0 to 124 miles per hour arrives in 8.4 seconds. The car reaches a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Thanks to this upgraded performance, the Turbo S has also posted a much faster lap time around challenging circuits, demonstrating sharper responsiveness and greater stability under high-speed conditions. The hybrid system features electrically assisted turbochargers that eliminate turbo lag and improve throttle response across the rev range. A compact lithium-ion battery powers an integrated electric motor and works in harmony with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, sending power to all four wheels. While the hybrid components add weight to the car, Porsche has optimized the chassis and drivetrain software to maintain exceptional handling and agility. This hybrid approach focuses on performance enhancement, not plug-in functionality or extended electric-only driving. To handle the added power and weight, the 911 Turbo S includes wider rear tires for increased traction, high-performance ceramic brakes capable of handling repeated high-speed stops, an adaptive aerodynamic system, which adjusts cooling, downforce, and drag dynamically based on speed and driving mode. These enhancements ensure that the car remains composed and confidence-inspiring in both road and track conditions, despite the extra hardware introduced by the hybrid setup. The 2026 911 Turbo S introduces a distinctive and luxurious visual identity, highlighted by a signature color finish known as Turbonite, a unique bronze gray tone used throughout the vehicle. This color subtly accents the interior trim elements, including the dashboard detailing, center console, steering wheel spokes, seat belts, instrument cluster surrounds, and the iconic Sport Chrono stopwatch. Adding to the premium atmosphere, the cabin integrates carbon fiber inserts with neodyme metallic accents, providing contrast and a motorsport-inspired feel. These materials are complemented by a perforated microfiber headliner, which enhances both visual texture and sound insulation. The interplay of muted tones and precision finishes creates an environment that feels both performance-driven and richly appointed. The coupe version of the 911 Turbo S is configured as a two-seater by default, creating a focused, driver-centric experience. However, rear seats are available at no additional cost, offering added practicality without compromising design. In contrast, the Cabriolet variant comes standard with a 2+2 layout, balancing open-air driving with the functionality of additional rear seating. At the core of the interior comfort are the 18-way adaptive Sport Seats Plus, which offer extensive adjustability for both support and posture refinement. These seats include memory functions and are upholstered with high-grade materials that vary based on customer selection, ranging from traditional leathers to advanced synthetic options. The headrests proudly carry Turbo S embossing, while the seat surfaces and door panels feature embossing patterns inspired by the original 911 Turbo 930, blending heritage with modern sophistication. While remaining instantly recognizable as a 911, the 2026 Turbo S showcases subtle design changes that signal its enhanced performance status. The wider bodywork compared to Carrera models gives the car a planted and muscular stance, crucial for housing the wider rear tires and improved cooling systems. Functional rear quarter intakes feed fresh air directly to the engine bay, emphasizing both performance and aerodynamic efficiency. At the rear, the fascia has been redesigned with larger ventilation openings, aiding in thermal management and downforce. The dual titanium exhaust outlets are not just lighter, but also designed to enhance the tonal quality of the engine under acceleration. Turbonite finishes continue on the exterior badging, window surrounds, grille inserts, and the Porsche crest, tying the interior and exterior design together into a coherent and exclusive visual package. The Turbo S comes equipped with a suite of performance-enhancing components that complement its powerful drivetrain. Standard hardware includes HD Matrix Design LED headlights, offering adaptive beam shaping and enhanced nighttime visibility. PASM, Porsche Active Suspension Management, which constantly adjusts stamping rates for optimal ride quality and cornering behavior. PDCC, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, a system that uses electro-hydraulic stabilization to reduce body roll during aggressive driving. Sport Chrono Package, including driving mode selectors, launch control, and a real-time tire temperature display. In terms of exhaust tuning, titanium sport exhaust components reduce overall system weight while enhancing sound character, particularly under load or high RPMs. Porsche's Exclusive Manufaktur program allows buyers to tailor nearly every detail of their Turbo S to suit personal taste. Available options include carbon fiber windshield wiper arms, offering both visual appeal and reduced unsprung weight, a lighter-weight roof for improved center of gravity and a more focused driving feel, bespoke interior trims, including personalized stitch patterns, alternate material combinations, and extended leather packages, color-matched keys, door sills with custom text, and painted air vents for a fully personalized ownership experience. Every aspect of the car, both functional and aesthetic, can be adjusted to reflect the owner's preferences, making each Turbo S a unique expression of Porsche engineering and personal style. The 2026 911 Turbo S is offered in both coupe and convertible, cabriolet configurations. Pricing starts at approximately $272,000 for the coupe and $286,000 for the cabriolet, placing it firmly in the upper echelon of high-performance sports cars. Orders are already open in several markets, with initial customer deliveries scheduled to begin in spring 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.